Is PrizeRebel legit, or is it another survey website that promises money but doesn't actually pay? In this video, we'll look at how PrizeRebel works, how you can earn money, how withdrawals work, and whether it's worth trying in 2026. PrizeRebel is a free rewards platform where users can earn points by completing surveys, offers, and other online activities. So, is PrizeRebel a scam? Based on the current information, PrizeRebel is a legitimate rewards platform. The main way to earn is through surveys. After creating your account, you'll see available surveys on your dashboard. You answer questions about products, services, and your opinions, and you receive points when you successfully complete a survey. However, not every survey will be available to you. You may be disqualified because you don't match the requirements, or a survey may already have reached its maximum number of responses. PrizeRebel also offers offer walls, where you can complete different activities in exchange for points. These can include trying apps, signing up for services,
Meet
playing
Jane.
games,
She's
or
a
completing
stay-at-home.
specific offers. Always check the requirements before starting an offer, because some rewards require you to complete several steps. Now let's talk about getting paid. PrizeRebel offers different reward options, including PayPal, gift cards, cryptocurrency, and other payment methods depending on your location. The available options and minimum withdrawal amounts can vary by country and account. So before spending a lot of time earning points, check which rewards are actually available to you. And remember, you don't need to pay to create a PrizeRebel account. If someone asks you for money to unlock your account or promises guaranteed earnings, that's a red flag. So how much can you realistically make? PrizeRebel is better for earning extra money rather than replacing a full-time income. The number of surveys and offers depends on your location, profile, and what advertisers are currently looking for. Some days you may have several opportunities, while other days there may be very little available. My final verdict? PrizeRebel is legit. It's a real rewards platform with
Meet
surveys,
Jane. She's
offers,
a
and
stay-at-home.
multiple ways to redeem your earnings. But it's not a get-rich-quick website, and your earnings won't be guaranteed. If you want to try it, create your account for free, complete your profile honestly, and focus on the opportunities that are actually worth your time. So, PrizeRebel isn't a scam, but treat it as a side income platform and keep your expectations realistic.